Hi, Red Robusta is coming. Good talk station pack. Today is September 29th, Wednesday. This is bilingual YouTuber Fumio Takano. Today also, I would like to inform you very important communication matter. This week's theme, philosophy and economy. 論語とそろばん、渋沢栄一青年、論語とそろばん、philosophy as a human being and getting money, economy, should be combined. Without that, sustainable success cannot be realized. Sustainable success will be realized by the combination of human being as a philosophy of human being and getting money economics. Why? I talked on Michael Sun Dell's Harvard University professor's philosophy lecture. That lecture has been extraordinarily succeeded, worldwide. Sun Dell came to Japan and have a lecture in Tohoku University. That has been enthusiastically accepted, even other countries, not only America. Why? Michael Sun Dell's lecture has been successful. Why? Is that reason? Sun Dell has a vision. His vision, in lecture. We human beings have a philosophy as a human being. We don't get rid of, escaping from the way of our human being. 人としての道を踏み外さずに We should sustainably getting money. Same to な論語とそろばん of な渋沢栄一。渋沢栄一 made about 500 enterprises, companies. Even such a company are activated. So long years because his philosophy principally has basic vision. Philosophy plus economy should be combined. Never get rid of the human's way. On the human's way, we will make effort to getting money, such as individuals and such a company will be sustainably supported by a social customer. Okay, this week, my theme, I would like to pick up philosophy and economy. Thank you!